Right, I've got a few of these like face plates for the double sockets, 2 poles really cool, and 3 of them have got like a wire jammed into the side of the screw connection, and it doesn't matter how much you turn it, it just doesn't come out. I've tried everything to get that out of there, and then I thought, how difficult is that to take all this apart and see what I can do, and actually took one apart and I stole the earth like connecting screw, and I actually transferred that over to the one that was broken over there. So I'll show you how to do that. It's not that hard. So I've got 2 of these where they've got the wires just been jammed in, it just won't come out. So it's not actually that difficult thing to do. Just undo all these screws. Once they're all undone, then you can carefully take these 2 apart. Probably easier to hold it this way around. There's less sort of stuff to drop out. So yeah, you've got that plate there. We need to pinch this one off here, so I'll pinch that one, and then the one that's broken, this one is that one, so I'm going to lift up this little cover. And then try and get that off there. Problem is, all these things all move around, so you just have to put them back in a bit when you've done all this. So there you go, that's got the old wires kind of annoyingly jammed in there. I don't know what happens, but they just don't undo. Right, so that then it's easier to sort of drop it down at this angle, I find, and then into there. Get rid of those. Right, I need to rebuild some of this stuff. Put that in there like that. Take all these out. And then I just need to make sure these properly lined up. Seems alright. Right, and then this little cover goes back over the thing here. There we go. These rocker switches. Obviously, you know the red bit goes to the top because that's the bit you get to see from the outside, so you can touch where those go around. Pop them back into place, and then put all these little spring mounted bullet things in there. The reason why I'm able to do this is because you get 2 earth ones, and so I can just take one out, pretty easy. Right, and then when you put these back together, probably easiest to do it like this, and then line up the bottom holes where the screws go. Line that up, and just no, that didn't work. Hope it goes back. Yep, that's the one. And then keep it firm. And then screw it up. Screw all those up. yeah, once they're all tightened up, the screws, then you can pretty much use it. Good to go. Not too hard. Like I said, I mean, once I've done the next one, that'll be 3. That'll be sort of best part of £40 saved on buying new ones, which, not that it's just £40 not the end of the world, but £40, so it's just a load of rubbish, isn't it? It's the faceplate. It's well annoying buying them in the first place. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope it helps you with your faceplates.